clogged pipes got you down. Today, I'm going to be doing a review on Drano Max Gel. This is the commercial version, but they were the same price at the local hardware store. But I'm going to be showing you how quick it goes down. My water goes down in my bathtub. And then I'm going to use this product, and then I'm going to be showing you with the same amount of water how quick it goes down afterwards, following the instructions on the back. Which is pour half the bottle slowly into the drain, wait for 15 to 30 minutes, and then rinse with hot water. So that's the exact steps I'm going to be taking in this video. Stay tuned. Obviously, this drain's dirty. Okay? It's dirty because it's not draining right. We don't just let this like this. Okay? Alright, so don't judge me. So let's, I'm going to use this jug. This is a total of 2,000 milliliters. And I'm going to fill this up and I'm going to dump it. And we're going to time how quick it goes down. I'm going to speed it up for you guys because no one wants to watch that and just wait. So, alright. Dump this. I use hot water. I guess it doesn't really matter, but we're just going to see how long it takes to drain here. All went down, so now I'm going to follow the instructions here, which is pour half this bottle here into the drain. So I'll open it up, pour half, actually I need to back this up a little bit here. All we need is Drano on my tripod. Alright, that's a little more than half, but it's a pretty bad clog, so. And now we wait for half an hour, so 30 minutes. We'll be right back. 30 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been half an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to fill this up and I'm going to follow the instructions. It says to use hot water, and so that's exactly what I'm going to use here. I'm just going to do this in the sink. Alrighty, here we go. Moment of truth. Alright guys, let's see how long this is going to take us here. Okay, wow. That was much quicker. So, as you can see, this project worked really well. So, again, this is the product here. Just follow the instructions on the back, which are pour about half the bottle, wait 15 to 30 minutes. I waited a full 30. And then flush the drain with hot water. That's all you gotta do, guys. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos. Comment if you like this. Have a great day or night.